And in headline writing, there are times when context is also needed. There are times when people noted or notable for certain achievements, those achievements are mentioned. It is not necessarily a negative thing, Your Honor.
Napaka-basic lang po ng comparison na sinabi ko. Namatay po yung ex-DFA head. Ang basic na balita, ex-DFA Perfecto Yasa dies. Walang problema ron eh. Pero kung sasamutan mo ng flavor, nagkakaroon po ng kulay. Yun lang naman po ang problema. Kanina po, well, may nagsabi po sa ABS-CBN, si Ginong Carlo Katigbak yata, we're making a public commitment na lahat po ng